Hey guys, I'm here to show you this wonderful 164 square meter lot for sale here at Vermont Park Executive Village, Phase 4. So, yung lot na ito is may frontage ng 12 meters simula dito sa wall ng bahay na yan hanggang dito. Ayan. And then yung lawak din niya simula din sa dulo ng bahay and hanggang dito sa puno. So basically, pinagigitnaan kayo ng bahay for both sides. And binibenta itong lote na to for only 35,000 per square. And makita nyo naman dito, yung lupa is patag lang siya. So ang ganagandahan dito sa location na tong lote na ito is dito lang sa side na ito is yung palabas ng village and minutes away from the clubhouse which contains swimming pool and playground. And for those people na naghahanap guys ng tahimik na village, maganda yung security system, bagay na bagay ito sa inyo. And you also have easy access to Marcos Highway. So makita nyo naman dito sa bahay nila na nagiging prime location na siya. Ang dami na nagpapagawa ng bahay, lalo na dito sa Phase 4. And dito sa side naman na ito, ang kinagandahan sa lote nito, pag pumunta kayo dito, is may papuntang Phase 5, which is gagawin pa lang. And the best part of that area is may gagawin daanan papuntang Sumulong Highway. So you have both access to Marcos Highway and Sumulong Highway. So guys, don't hesitate to message us about this property and don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll catch you on the next ride.